Okay, we're doing a comparison of the Mean Green Super Strength and LA's Totally Awesome. I just thought to do this video right in the middle of, I already started, and did the first part with the LA Awesome, and it worked pretty good. I'm using a scrub brush on this also. I sprayed it on, scrubbed it, power washed, used a regular hose, and then sprayed it on and one last time and power washed it again. And I'm going to power wash it one more time. But this section over here, I have sprayed it with a little bit of the Awesome, but I think I'm going to move into the green now and see what it does. This has been sprayed with the Awesome and has not been scrubbed or power washed. I started scrubbing right there, so we're gonna see what this what the Mean Green does using a Crud Cutter hose system. So for this application of a metal roof, I think that's the way to go. Use the Awesome first. This is just right here. I'm just using the rinse on the bottle. It's in this second position. It's just water. Now I'll just hit some of that over there. I'm gonna have to scrub that. I haven't scrubbed it yet. With that. So this was very interesting. Using the Awesome first and letting it sit for 15-20 minutes and then scrubbing worked really well, and just rinsing it off and then going in with the Super Strength Mean Green and just using that a lot at the end really worked good. There we go. I think these two products really do complement each other after today. I'm not sure about every situation, but yeah, the Awesome one, it does penetrate the wood because I use it for latex paint cleanup usually, and this I use on the bikes and stuff for grease and everything. I think together on a metal roof like this, we had good results, excellent results.